There's just a lot of misapplication, right? Because a lot of times with relaxers, the goal is to get the hair as straight as possible.
What is the price of a hairstyle? A recent study by the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences found women who have frequently used chemical hair relaxers to straighten their hair had a 4% higher risk for uterine cancer. It's why Latoya Rose has spent the last 14 years specializing in caring for and styling natural hair for Black women.
What they teach in cosmetology school, I mean, really, it's not really a lot of education really around like texture hair. It's like if your hair is very textured, it needs to be straightened.
The study tracked 33,497 women, ranging in ages 35 to 74. During the nearly 11-year study, researchers say 378 uterine cancer cases were diagnosed. We asked, is there a specific ingredient or component in hair relaxers linking to uterine cancer, or is it the product in totality? In a statement to TV11 News, Dr. Alexandra White, the lead author of the paper, says, straighteners in particular have been found to include a number of chemicals, and they may release certain gases when heated. And Black women are some of the highest consumers of relaxers. Rose adding how negating the importance of having a healthy body leads to a healthy mane.
You want to find a stylist that actually subscribes to healthy hair care, and that, includes, application and, using good quality products and, not, someone that's just going to just give you a style.
Dr. White also said in a statement that they have, quote, previously observed that permanent hair dye was associated with a higher risk to breast cancer, particularly for Black women. In a separate study by Johns Hopkins University, researchers found hairdressers of color were suspected to have more chemical exposures than stylists of other demographics. In the Hopkins study published, urine samples from Black and Hispanic hairdressers in the United States were tested and compared to samples from women of color working in office jobs. Researchers say they found more chemical exposure in the hairstylists. Latoya hopes that these studies will encourage women more to embrace their natural texture, no matter the coil, curl, or wave pattern.
There's so much oppression around our hair.
Reporting in Baltimore, Megan Rivers, WBAL TV 11 News.